And it can be confusing.
Exactly.
And so we're going to talk about, because I'm saying sleet, I'm saying freezing rain, and a lot of people don't know there's a difference. And I saw that on social media yesterday and today. So we're going to take a little bit of time to discuss the difference, okay? We're going to talk about 4 precip types, all right? So first thing, let's define a couple things. Blue shaded areas, that's air below freezing. This is the ground. This would be the base of a cloud where precip falls. All right, if all of the air is below freezing, obviously we're going to get snow, right? Now this is where it gets a little tricky. If there's a little section of air aloft, a shallow area where there's warmer air aloft, that frozen precip melts, then it refreezes into balls of sleet. Okay, so it has a lot of time to refreeze into a little ball of ice before reaching the surface. Now if that air above the surface is a lot thicker, all right, see that big thick area of red? That means raindrops will fall through it, and then right as it gets to the surface, there's just a very shallow layer of freezing air near the ground, and that will create freezing rain. What is freezing rain? That's the stuff that cakes on to everything. The roads, the trees, the power lines, it puts weight on those things. These are balls of ice. This is the stuff you really don't want. And then, of course, if everything's above freezing, it's rain, which we have in the forecast tomorrow. Now, let me tell you this, the freezing rain and sleet potential Wednesday night into Thursday, it's there. We have the chance to see some slick travel. The forecast is so sensitive. Think about this. If it's 33 degrees, do you notice the difference between that and 32? You don't, but the precip does. 1 degree difference can make a huge change in what we're expecting. So a lot of details to kind of hammer out over the next couple of days. Please stay tuned. Chief Meteorologist Pete Delkus every single night, 5, 6, and 10, will have the very latest for you. I got to talk about this chance of rain first. So tomorrow there is a little bit of a chance of rain that moves in throughout the day. It's a weak storm system, all right? A little bit of rain, especially south of the Metroplex. 10 to 20% coverage expected across the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So here it is, 20, 30% Dallas-Fort Worth, higher coverage to the south. Not a big impact tomorrow, but there will be some rain around. A trace to 1/10 of an inch is possible. Areas to the south of the Dallas-Fort Worth area could see up to 1/4 of an inch of rain on Monday. Now into the winter weather potential. Tuesday, there may be a slight chance for a little bit of rain. Wednesday's the best chance. Here's what we're expecting. So Wednesday morning into the afternoon, a cold front will have already pushed through the area. Cold air is filtering in at this point. We have widespread rain. That will transition to a chance for this pink area here would be some sleet, some freezing rain, and behind it some snow. If there's going to be some decent snow accumulations, that's going to be from Graham, Albany to the northwest. Here, we're more concerned about ice accumulation Wednesday night into Thursday. This is one particular model. Things will change over the next few days, but you have to stay tuned because, again, very sensitive forecast. So again, Wednesday, rain changes into freezing rain and sleet across most of North Texas Wednesday evening, Wednesday overnight. Northwest of that is mainly snow. And then on Thursday, there is the potential for a little bit of snow still across North Texas. Some of that could accumulate in the area. So again, a very tricky midweek. WFAA.com, our app. Stay tuned. We have so many details to go through over the next few days. Tonight, light winds, not as cold, 46 degrees. Tomorrow, 65. Still warm. It's also going to be a breezy day too. Gust up to 20 miles an hour. 50 degrees on Wednesday, 30 on Thursday. So we do not get above freezing Thursday. 16 Friday morning, 35 Friday afternoon.